The diagram shows how electricity is supplied to our homes through the transmission and distribution system. Drag and drop the value of voltages into the boxes provided. Well done! Let's continue with the lesson. In this unit, you are going to learn about Look at the pictures. How many wires are connected from the electrical pole to the house? What is the function of these wires? Let's find out. Look at the electric meter. What is the value of the main voltage supplied to our houses? The main voltage is 240 volts. This value indicates that our electrical appliances can use voltage as high as 240 volts. However, this value varies from country to country. For example, 110 volts for United States, 115 volts for Barbados, 100 volts for Japan, and 230 volts for United Kingdom. Do you know how many types of current are there? There are two types of current. They are direct current, DC, and the alternating current, AC. Click on the DC button and watch the animation. How do electrons flow in direct current? The electrons flow in only one direction. The current produced by a battery is a direct current. Now, click on the AC button and watch the animation. How do electrons flow in alternating current? The electrons flow in one direction. Then it flows in the opposite direction over and over again. What is the type of current supplied to our homes? In our homes, electricity supply comes from the mains. Therefore, the type of current is alternating current. Look at the electric meter. The value of 50 Hz means the current flow changes directions 50 times every second. Look at the pictures. Which house needs more electricity? Click on the answer. Yes, that's correct. House B. Having more air conditioner units in addition to other electrical appliances means that House B would definitely need more electricity. How many types of electrical wiring are there? There are two types of electrical wiring systems. They are the single-phased and the three-phase wiring systems. Click on the houses to see its electric meters. Single-phased wiring is normally used in homes that require moderate supply of electricity as high as 240 volts. Three-phased wiring is normally used in industries or homes that require electricity supply as high as 415 volts. Look at the picture again. How many wires are connected from the electrical pole to the house? What is the function of these wires? There are two types of wires connected from the electrical pole to the house. These wires carry electricity from and to the mains. Single-phased and three-phased wiring system have different wires as shown in the diagram. By referring to the diagram, key in the numbers to differentiate the wires. What is the voltage and frequency of the alternating current supplied to homes? That is correct. The alternating current supplied to homes has a voltage of 240 volts and a frequency of 50 Hertz. What type of wiring can be found in these houses? That is correct. These houses are supplied with single-phased wiring that carries 240 volts current. The main voltage is 240 volts. The two types of current are alternating current, AC, and direct current, DC. The type of current supplied to homes is alternating current. The types of electrical wiring are single-phased and three-phased wiring systems. Look at the blueprint of a house. How is electricity supply distributed in this house? Let's find out. Let's look at the wiring system of a home. What are the functions of the parts of an electrical wiring system? Click on the parts to find out. The live wire carries electric current at a voltage of 240 volts from the substation branches to the house. The neutral wire carries the current back to the substation. The main fuse acts as a safety device. If there is a large electric current flowing through it, this fuse will melt and the circuit will break. The main fuse acts as a safety device. The electric meter records the amount of electrical energy used by the consumer. The main switch controls the amount of electric current that flows through the circuit in the house. A circuit breaker trips automatically and breaks the circuit when excess current flows through it. It is reset manually. The fuse box controls circuits in different parts of the house. It protects against any power surge. The earth wire connects an appliance to the ground. Look at the 3-pin plug. A 3-pin plug connects an electrical appliance to the power socket. Can you describe the wiring in a 3-pin plug? Click on the parts to find out. A 3-pin plug also contains one fuse connected to the live wire. This is to prevent damage to electrical appliances should there be a sudden flow of large current through the circuit. This blue wire is neutral wire. This is the live wire, which is brown in color. The green wire with yellow stripes is earth wire. A 3-pin plug also contains one fuse connected to the live wire. This is. Look at the blueprint of a house again. How is electricity supply distributed in this house? Electricity from the mains enters the house through a wiring system consisting of main fuse box, electric meter, main switch, circuit breaker, and fuse box. The figure shows wiring system in a house. Drag and drop the labels into its correct boxes. Which of the following is measured by the electric meter? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. The electric meter will measure the electrical energy that has been used by the consumer. What is the function of the earth wire? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. The function of the earth wire is to prevent the user from getting an electric shock. The electrical wiring system includes the main fuse box, electric meter, main switch, circuit breakers, fuse box, live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. The function of the parts in an electrical wiring system are: the main fuse box acts as a safety device. If there is a large electric current flowing through it, this fuse will melt and the circuit will break. The electric meter will record the amount of electrical energy used by the consumer. The main switch controls the amount of electric current that flows through the circuit in the house. A circuit breaker trips automatically and breaks the circuit when excess current flows through it. It is reset manually. The fuse box controls circuits in different parts of the house. It protects against any power surge. The live wire carries electric current at a voltage of 240 volts from the substation branches to the house. The neutral wire carries the current back to the substation. The earth wire connects an appliance to the ground. The wires in a 3-pin plug are wired using the international color code, that is, brown for live, blue for neutral, and green with yellow stripes for earth. What is the value of our mains voltage? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. The voltage of our mains is 240 volts. Which of the following parts must the electric current pass through first when entering a house? Click on the correct answer. That is not. That is correct. The electric current supplied to a house must first pass through the main switch. What is P, Q, and R in this 3-pin plug? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. P is earth wire, Q is neutral wire, and R is the live wire. Why is the home electrical circuit connected in parallel? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. The advantages of a parallel circuit are: each electrical appliance uses maximum voltage, can be controlled with one switch, and any damage can be easily detected. The voltage and frequency of electricity varies from country to country throughout the world. Look at these plugs. Click on one of the questions. What is the value of used to switch off the live wire in the home wiring system? Click on the correct answer. That is not correct. Try again. That is not correct. Try again. That is correct. A switch is used to turn off the live wire in the home wiring system. Click on one of the questions to see the answer. The value of the main voltage is 240 volts. There are two types of current: alternating current, AC, and direct current, DC. Direct current is where the current flows in one direction. Alternating current is an electric current that changes direction at regular intervals. The type of current supplied to homes is alternating current. There are two types of electrical wiring: single-phase and three-phase. Single-phase wiring is used in homes that require moderate power supply as high as 240 volts. The single-phase wiring consists of one live wire and one neutral wire. Three-phase wiring is used in homes or light industries that require more power supply as high as 415 volts. The three-phase wiring consists of 3 live wires and 1 neutral wire. The parts of an electrical wiring system includes main fuse, electric meter, mains switch, circuit breakers, fuse box, live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. The function of the parts in an electrical system are: the main fuse acts as a safety device. If there is a large electric current flowing through it, this fuse will melt and the circuit will break. The electric meter will record the amount of electrical energy used by the consumer. The main switch controls the amount of electric current that flows through the circuit in the house. A circuit breaker trips automatically and breaks the circuit when excess current flows through it. It is reset manually. The fuse box controls circuits in different parts of the house. It protects against any power surge. The live wire carries electric current at a voltage of 240 volts from the substation branches to the house. The neutral wire carries the current back to the substation. The earth wire connects an appliance to the ground. The wires in a 3-pin plug follows the international color code, that is, brown for live wire, blue for neutral wire, and green with yellow stripes for earth wire. Look at these plugs. Compare a 2-pin plug and a 3-pin plug. How are they different? Discuss. The voltage and frequency of electricity varies from country to country throughout the world. How does a country fix the voltage and frequency values? Find out more and discuss.